gonna run these corners. I'm gonna fill this in, and then I want to fix this gap because now that the fender's fixed over here. So yeah, some full that sled shit. I'm gonna fucking pretty much put to close that gap. Just because this is like fenders from another vehicle. Frankenstein mobile. Pretty raw before I grind it down, but you can see I just made the fucking gap straight, and I just gotta finish filling this in with weld. But that's just gonna be fucking more legit. Close the gap, make it pretty uniform. Body work and that shit. I still need to add more all the way down. But you see how much difference but the fucking gap there's gonna be looking sick. Just pulling this out and just about to fucking get some.